So this is another session of our tutorials. We are making progress to have our website fully functional online. At this point, we are going to make changes to the elements that are up here. The logo here, we are going to change all of that. We are going to make changes to the menu that is located here, the social media handles here, the call to action button. Then down here we still have the footer section. We are going to modify all of these, the copyright text here, and every other thing that is required to complete our website. So let's say that for some reason you've not logged in, you have to log in again. Then we go back to our control panel. So here we have two control panels. We have the main control panel, which our hosting provider Cloudways has given us to be able to control our websites. And for this, you'll be able to log in by entering platform.cloudways.com/login, so that you'll be able to log in to your hosting panel that you can use to control your websites, your servers, and other services that are related. Then the other control panel is the WordPress admin dashboard. That is also required for you to be able to make changes to your website itself. So let's log into the platform, the Cloudways control panel, to control our server and the applications, so that we can now proceed with that. So you enter your email address and your password when signing up for Cloudways, then you'll be able to log in after that. So I've logged in into my Cloudways control panel, and you see your servers located here. Then if you switch to applications, you see the number of websites, applications that you have created on that server. And so the one that I'm using in this project is this one. So you click on that to be able to see your access details, just as we saw in the previous videos. So to launch our administrator dashboard for WordPress, we can directly enter this URL into the address bar of our web browser, or we can click on this straightforward to take us there. So in this case, I had already logged in, so I'm taken directly to a dashboard. If you had not logged in, then you would need the username and the password here to be able to log in to your WordPress dashboard. So this is our website, and this is the dashboard for managing the website. So everything that we do on the dashboard here has effects on the website, either in a visual way by its appearance or in terms of its function. In this case, we are going to start from the top here to modify and customize these ones too. So back to our dashboard. The area to do this is the RS options. So you scroll downwards and look for RS options. This is an option that came with the theme. And so once we are able to access this panel, it will enable us to be able to modify all these other sections of the website. So let's go through all of these one after another, starting from the logo. So here we'll be able to upload our own logo. So once you have a logo, you'll be able to upload that logo here. The size of the logo really matters. So if we check the dimension of this particular logo here, it is about 195 by 37. The width being 195 and the height being 37. If the size of the logo exceeds this, it way exceeds this, we might have a problem here, because it will be so big to exceed the area here and it will not be so beautiful. So we can resize our logo to this particular size so that it will fit beautifully. So I have my logo, which I've resized already, and it is almost the same dimensions of the one that is here. So I'll click on upload and go to upload files from the media library, then select files. It takes me to my images folder. So as you are navigating your own, locate where your images are located, or specifically your image for this logo is located so that you select it. So mine is here, logo. Then I select that logo and insert it into the project. Save changes. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, so you see the logo appearing here. So you would notice that at regular intervals, I want to see the changes that has been reflected by the work I've done. It is very important to do this so that you'll be able to ensure that you are on the right track. So for instance, if I uploaded this logo and it wasn't so fitting and I didn't check and thought things were okay, I would finish everything and save and now realize that I didn't do the right thing. So it's good you save your changes and refresh the page to see the new changes and work on it accordingly. Back to the area where we are modifying. The next is this called the favicon. Favicon is the short for favorite icon or site icon. The favicon is the tiny image that appears next to the website title in your web browser. So you see this is a favicon or site icon. And for the site we are working on, this is the favicon that came with the theme. Now, what is the essence of favicon or site icon? It serves as a branding tool for your website. The main purpose of it is to help visitors easily locate your page when they have multiple tabs open. So I have multiple tabs open here. The moment I see this particular icon from this angle, I know this one stands for WordPress. I can easily locate that and navigate to that place when I have multiple tabs open. So let's upload a favicon. And favicons have a recommended dimension of 16 by 16 pixels or times 2 of that, which is 32 by 32 pixels recommended. In this case, because we are using an image, it can be any size at all. But the precaution is that they should be of the same dimensions. So if it is 500 by 500, it is okay. So I'm going to resize my favicon here because I have some extra spaces I don't need. So I want to upload an image. Then this is what I intend using. So I came to resizeimage.net. There is an online tool that you can use to resize your images online. So I want to trim up all these white spaces by cropping them out. So now the size is 256 by 233, which is okay. So I can resize this to what I want, such as 32 by 32. Then I click on resize. Now I get my 32 by 32 image, I download it, then I can use it for the favicon. So back to where I was editing, upload image, I go to select files. So I select that image and use it as my favicon. As usual, I'll save changes to see how it will work now. Once you save changes and you get back to your website, obviously you don't expect the changes to take effect just as you visit the site. If you enter the URL once again and visit it again, then of course you see the new changes. But if you simply switch to that particular page already without doing anything new, you will not see the changes. In this case, you have to refresh it. So you see the favicon appearing here beautifully. Yeah, so follow the same step and have your own there too.